Men are constantly told to become high value. Hit the gym, make money, improve yourself. And while that's great advice, it's only half the equation when it comes to attracting women. The brutal truth? Being high value doesn't automatically get you the type of woman or relationship you want. In this video, we're breaking down what women are really selecting for, why being high value alone isn't enough, and what actually separates the men who win from the men who just get attention. If you're ready to understand female selection at a deeper level, keep watching. We hear it all the time. Become a high-value man and women will chase you. But let's be real. Plenty of rich, fit, well-dressed men still get ignored, played, or left behind. Why? Because female selection isn't just about resources or looks. Women don't just want a high-value man. They want a high-value experience. What does that mean? A man who makes them feel something. A man who understands them on a deeper level. A man whose frame is strong enough to lead. Without that, you're just another guy in a nice suit with no magnetism. Let's get into what really influences female selection. Emotional experience over material status. It's not about what you have, it's about how you make her feel. A man who excites her, challenges her, and keeps her engaged outperforms a rich guy with no emotional depth, perceived social proof. Women watch how other people react to you. Are you respected by men? Are women drawn to you naturally? This is why some average-looking guys with strong social presence are more attractive than physically perfect guys who have no charisma. Non-needy dominance. A man who isn't chasing but is also fully engaged in life is irresistible. She doesn't just want a leader, she wants a man who doesn't need her validation. When you get this, you stop playing the wrong game. Women categorize men into three main groups. The first type is the invisible man. He might be a good guy, but he lacks confidence, presence, or any standout traits. Women don't even notice him. The second type is the provider. He's stable, successful, and caring. Women appreciate him, but he's not the one she fantasizes about. And finally, we have the experience. He creates tension, excitement, and unpredictability. He's magnetic. Want to guess which category gets the most genuine desire? Hint, it's not about being rich or good-looking, it's about creating an emotional roller coaster in a woman's mind. So, let's set the record straight. What does being high value actually get you? First, more opportunities. Women will notice you more. Second, more respect from other men. Your presence will command attention. And third, more initial attraction. Women will be curious about you. But what doesn't it automatically get you? Genuine desire. A woman choosing you just because you're successful isn't the same as her craving you. A loyal, feminine partner. If you don't create emotional engagement, she'll drift or tolerate the relationship without passion. And an easy dating life, if you lack game, frame, and emotional intelligence, you'll still experience flaky behavior, tests, and emotional distance. In other words, being high value is the foundation, but it's not the full game. Now that you understand what female selection is really about, how do you position yourself as the man women are drawn to on every level? First, master your energy and presence. Women react more to how you make them feel than what you say. Speak deliberately, move with confidence, and maintain strong eye contact. Second, frame control. Set the terms of engagement. Women test men constantly. Not because they're manipulative, but because they want to feel your strength. Do you let her mood swings dictate your emotions? Do you break your own boundaries for her? If so, you just lost the game. And third, stop seeking validation. Become the prize. The second you need her to like you, you've lost. The second you don't care but still choose her, you've won. This is why some guys with average looks and resources are absolutely magnetic. They act like a king, with or without a queen. Here's the final takeaway. High-value status opens doors, but your energy and mindset decide who walks through them. Women don't just want a high-value man, they want a man who makes them feel something unique. The men who understand this, they stop chasing, they let women come to them. So the question is, are you just checking boxes on paper? Or are you becoming the man who leads his own world and lets women step into it? If this video gave you a new perspective, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's the biggest dating myth you've believed before?